Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Coons, and this is my data analysis protocol document. I created this screener data analysis protocol document for my middle school, and here you can see the description for our fall entry assessments. Every year we give our students an entry assessment and then determine their class placement. Step one would be the orientation step to describe the assessment that was used as the screener. Each department would have a different screener, and then we would define the different terms that may be used in those data reports so that everybody has a common understanding of the discussion. Second would be to question for step two. The essential question we're trying to answer is, in what class should each student be placed? Step three would be to identify patterns. We're trying to identify patterns for students' strengths and needs. Step four is the action step, and this would be to determine class placement of each student based on this data, and then we would determine when and how reassessment would occur to see if any class placement changes need to be made at the quarter or semester. Step five would be to differentiate. We would need to identify, implement, and evaluate the in-class instruction to make sure that any accommodations and adaptations are being made for students, as well as enrichment activities for students that are above grade level. And then last, planning for the future. Step six would be to identify, implement, and evaluate one or two improvements in our future instruction so that we can continue on our path of continuous school improvement. Thank you.